ISTQB Foundation Level Question 510. How is the scope of maintenance testing assessed? A. Scope is related to the risk, size of the changes, and size of the system under test. B. Scope is defined by the size and type of system being changed. C. Scope is dependent on the amount of regression testing already performed. D. Scope is related to the number of system users affected by the change. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. Correct answer is A, according to ISTQB Syllabus. The scope of maintenance testing is determined by risk of the changes, high-risk changes, e.g. security fixes, core functionality updates, require broader testing, size of the changes, larger modifications require more extensive testing, including regression testing, size of the system under test, a complex system with many dependencies requires deeper impact analysis and testing. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer B is not correct, because this alone does not determine the scope. Risk and change size are also crucial. Answer C is not correct, because past regression tests do not define the scope. New changes and risks do. Answer D is not correct, because user impact is important, but does not fully define the scope of testing. My recommendation: please remember the scope of maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3 maintenance testing in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that the scope of maintenance testing typically depends on the degree of risk of the change, the size of the existing system, the size of the change. This is fully consistent with the correct answer A. Last but not least, as you might have already guessed, looking at your titanic efforts, diligence, and perseverance, I expect a gigantic progress from you soon. I look forward to your success, which might happen overnight. Don't stop, never give up.